Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use image studio feature on CapCut Commerce. First thing to do, you can open CapCut.com. This is the CapCut web version. You can try to sign in or sign up if this is your first time. Then you can click at the top left corner of your screen. There is a CapCut Commerce. Click it. Now here you go. This is the CapCut Commerce. So I want to show you this one, the image studio. Create stunning product images for social media and your product listing. You can click it. So start from a photo, drag and drop your photo here to select from device. For example, you can click it, and here I do have a shoes photo, analyzing, and here we go. So there is a AI background, or you can use a prompt here or references and select poster, for example, and here, or you can just go back to use a AI background, select poster, remove background, and so on. And this is the inspiration. Let's try change this one by change product. Click device and let the AI generate the product for you. And here we go. You can adjust product photo on canvas, change the current product image to new one. You can also resize or remove it. So here there is a flip horizontal, flip vertical, opacity, and arrange. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.